So first of all, Mare stands for Multi-Core Asynchronous Runtime Environment. It's a programming library that's designed for Android developers to be able to take advantage of all of the horsepower that's now available on the latest and greatest Android phones and tablets.
So Mare allows the developer to easily leverage the power of those multiple cores without having to write a lot of extra code.
Basically, just one notion, say task. So I put everything into task. I just deliver the task to whatever underneath the Mare, and I do not need to worry about the synchronization. I do not need to worry about too much about dependency, and I do not need to worry about risk condition. I just say I give you the task, do it as fast as you can.
What we were asked to develop was a physics simulation based on Bullet. And Bullet is an open source physics library that is used in a lot of popular games today. And we took Bullet and put it on top of a rendering engine called Ogre. And our job was to take the serial portions of Bullet, find the hot spots and the slow parts, and using Mare parallelize these hot spots to get an increase in overall user experience. The serial version typically runs anywhere from 15 to 19 frames a second, and the version with Mare runs anywhere from 28 to 32 frames a second, which is about that 2x speed up.
I fire up this UCAM application, and this little button gives the real-time filter for the real-time filter. We have over 200 lines of code, very buggy code. Nobody even bothered to debug it because it's so messy. With the Mare, we can finish it under 13 lines of code.
Mare will make it much easier for developers to express parallelism in their code that can then take advantage of all those multi-core CPUs. We would love to hear your feedback on how well it works, what are you using it for, and what additional features you'd like to see in the library and the API to make it the most applicable for the kinds of things and the kinds of code that you're developing.